Both of mine are like letters of sorts. It's going to be pretty obvious what kind of letters they are, I guess. The first one is a letter to the alkaline metals from the alkaline earth metals.
From the which to the which, one more time?
To the alkaline metals from the alkaline earth metals.
Okay.
Dear alkaline metals, as an alkaline earth metal, I am mightily curious about your family. What is it like being the most reactive family on the periodic table? You are more reactive than all the other families on the periodic table, and that must be stressful. You have one valence electron, and I'm so jealous. I wish I was as reactive as you, even if it is stressful. I have two valence electrons, so I am still reactive, but not as much as you. I wish I was cool as you. You hang out with tons of elements, and you combine with them too. We should be friends since our families live right next to each other on the periodic table. We have some things in common, like our shininess and our low boiling and melting points. I wonder which family is shinier, mine or yours. We also have low densities and how extremely good we both are at conducting electricity and heat. We could have an electric friendship. Sorry for the bad joke. I realized that it wasn't as funny as I first thought. I think it is so cool that our families have things in common. Although we have all those similarities, we also have some differences too. I hope they won't affect the chances of our families being friends. One thing that is different is that you are much softer than my family. Do you like being soft all the time? How do you feel about your malleability? Sorry if I ask too many questions, I'm just really curious. I think it's a good thing that your family is so malleable because you can be bent and molded into a multitude of things for various uses. So you're like super helpful all the time, almost like a superhero family of the elements. Some of your known uses are for things like batteries and fertilizers, but there are many more. You are a very useful family on the periodic table. I don't think my family is as helpful as yours. We also help make some things. My family helps make batteries and fertilizers too, like you. Oh, great idea. We can make batteries together like best friends. I think you're a very interesting family of elements, and it was very fun learning about you. I hope our families can be close friends because your family is awesome. Sincerely, the Alkaline Earth Metals.